In the previous two videos, you have learned that how to select the units and how to draw the walls, doors, pin windows, and how to zoom it. Now I'm going to show you how to put roof on it. You can go to the front view. This is our front view, which we were considering, and let's zoom it in region. This is zoom in region. You can see these are doors, windows, but it doesn't have any roof on it. I can simply go to the architectural view, and here I can see this is the plan of this house. Now I am going to put the roof on it. Now you will see how to put the roof. First of all, go to the roof. You have created roof on the lower level. Would you like to move it to L2? Of course, I don't want to have the roof on L1 ground level. I want to have the roof on L2. So I will click this yes. Whichever survey you will use, you can do it. This is the basic roof, generic of 9 inch. You can also go for 12 inch and generic field and wood rafter, steel truss, whatever you want. I'm going to use a generic 9 inch roof. And this is the simple roof for the beginners. You can make different types of roofs with different slopes, with different offsets from the walls. And if you want to learn in detail, you can just message me and I will uh, tell you about this. First of all, you can see that these are different walls, and I want to create a roof on this, and I have already selected the roof. Now I will select the different walls. One, two, three, four. Now I will check that. I will click this tick like this. Now, would you like to attach the highlighted wall to roof? Yes, I can attach. Now it has been attached, but you can't see it. So go to 3D. Now what you are seeing, this is an abnormal roof because it has different slope. You can convert the slope according to your own will from these properties. This is very important window. Uh, the so properties, so you can change anything from here. So from here, it is clear that our slope should be minimum. If I will make it low less, it will be very good. But if I want to make it just a flat roof, click put 0 and apply on it. It will be instantly converted into the simple rooftop. Now you can see from the 3D view that our house is complete and it has doors, windows, walls, and roof. It may have number of walls and doors, even windows inside and outside on the other sides. It depends on you. And thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and message me if you want to go in depth and understand the Revit very well. Thank you very much for watching.